What comes to mind when you think of psychiatric disability and psychiatric rehabilitation? Psychiatric disabilities cover a wide range of conditions, including eating disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety disorders, depression, and other psychiatric conditions. Psychiatric disabilities are very common in society, therefore stereotype issues need to be addressed in society. Who might benefit from psychiatric rehabilitation services? The students at Southern University included commonly experienced disorders such as anxiety, panic disorders, depressive disorders, eating disorders, obsessive-compulsive disorders. Some other disorders, including personality disorders, post-traumatic stress disorders, schizophrenia, schizoaffective disorders, substance abuse, psychiatric or emotional disabilities, which are often viewed differently from other disabilities. Unfortunately, they also carry stigma. What is the American Disability Act, ADA? Under the Americans with Disability Act and other non-discrimination laws, most employers must provide reasonable accommodations to qualified employees with disabilities. A psychiatric disability can impact various aspects of an individual's life, including the psychiatric rehabilitation is an intervention that helps people with psychiatric or psychological restrictions to participate successfully in school and work and manage of their own lives and relationships with others. Psychiatric rehabilitation is a systematic effort to help adults with psychiatric disabilities to attain their personal goals. It is a bi-directional in focus, seeking to influence both individuals' strengths and challenges to relate to their goals and the community context in which the persons live in by ways of the principle. Strategies are tools that rehabilitation providers use to help people accomplish their goals. Basically, these tools are listening skills, problem solving, instrumental and supportive, shared decision making, goal settings, mindfulness, family and support education. Settings: activity, recreation, the community, mutual support, day treatment, residential, psychiatric hospital, halfway houses, a person's home, vocational work setting, education setting. Roles focus on the person, his or her support system, professional rehabilitation providers, and paraprofessional providers and peers. Research evidence-based practice on the integration of critical appraised search results with the clinical expertise and the client's preference, beliefs, and values. This includes the deficiency in current practices, promotions of practices, including adequate implementations of evidence-based practice. Outcome measurement is an important, often required process in evaluating psychiatric rehabilitation program. The USPRA Research Committee has compiled a list of existing outcome measurement tools used across the country for evaluation. Though not comprehensive, the list might help agencies explore options for programs evaluation. Though not comprehensive, the list might help agencies explore options for program evaluation. As you might guess, outcomes measured might vary depending on the type of program you are evaluating and the type of outcome the intervention is intended to address. Local psychiatric rehabilitation services: El Paso, Texas are El Paso Behavioral Health, 1900 Denver Avenue, 915-544-4000. El Paso Psychiatric Center, Psychiatric Hospital, 4615 Alameda Avenue, 915-532-2202. Yay! In conclusion, psychiatric rehabilitation has been proven to help reduce stigma by providing education to family and friends in the community. The rehabilitation services also aid in help seeking for those who wish to increase the knowledge of how to deal with the disorder symptoms, so to have a better quality of life with a greater understanding. References: Psychiatric Rehabilitation Association and Principles and Practices of Psychiatric Rehabilitation.
Created using Powtoon.